All right. After start's complete.
Number 284, Bravo Sierra, ready to taxi.
Number 284, Bravo Sierra, follow the jet stream at your 1 o'clock, Alpha to North Pole short 100. Number 2 for departure.
Alright, Alpha to 19 will be on the jet stream, 4 Bravo Sierra.
Article 762, line up and wait to 100.
Line up and wait 19, Article 762.
Clear left.
Alright, it's clear.
Behind the jet stream.
Taxi 31 and echo to parking.
31, echo to parking, taxi 17.
You sliding?
I know. I can't see shit over here. Am I clear right?
Yep, you're clear right.
Okay. Behind the jet stream. Bill, stop the aircraft, vacate the runway, set the parking brake, and initiate procedures.
And I will push throttle controller down on the seat of the ground up survive CDC. Any malfunction after V1 be considered as in-flight emergency. No active still 400 less than water crossing. We're ready for the appropriate propeller. At Toka, accelerate the feet clean, flaps up, memory items, set MCP, advise CDC, notify the client, notify the flight attendant, which we don't have, carry the climb checks, and gear reach 1,500 feet.
Okay.
Speeds is 102, 107, 111. Clean is 15, and ref, emergency ref is 105.
Check.
And cabin is ready.
For takeoff to the line.
All right.
Let me stop this beast.
Tarps are free.
And free on the bottom.
Condition there is max and all cross, we can nav file closed, or the crossing is on.
On.
Expedition as required, ready to stand by position, show not secure right.
Secure left.
Cabin is notified.
Brakes.
Before takeoff to the line is completed.
Check. Legs are set.
Alright.
Huh. Man. Turn him back up. And the takeoff.
When he said line up.
Okay. Departure's runway heading, right? Yes. Runway heading 4,000.
Yes, sir.
Got a good squawk. 2143.
Yep, squawk is 2277.
2277. All right. Take it out and hold it.
Yep.
Clear left.
Clear right.
I can find the center line. There it is.
There it is.
Runway heading set.
Alright, runway heading is set.
Echo 762, one passing 2,000 feet left
Test
and
these,
direct
test it.
I got you.
Sula,
Right.
contact approach 19-0.
Crank that.
Passing 2000 left direct Sula, contact approach 19-0, Arctic Eagle 762.
Yeah, you can take off on the mod.
284 Bravo Sierra, 1 up on fly heading 300, wind 110 at 10, runway 100, clear to takeoff.
300.
1300, and runway 19 left takeoff. 284 Bravo Sierra.
We all warmed up.
Alright, left takeoff. Bleeds off, 7 feet on, lights over at 7 feet, TTS and photo test and set. Takeoff on the mid, runway heading is back, the line is complete.
Alright, here we go. Time. On the hour.
At the time. Auto crossing now.
Set takeoff power.
And
indicating airspeed alive.
Check.
60 knots.
Your control.
Continue northerly heading
80 knots.
Cross check.
Check
No flags.
traffic rolling runway 100. Expect 01 for landing shortly.
V1 VR rotates.
Continue northerly heading and
V2.
traffic inside and expect 01 blue 3.
Pause the brake.
Gear everything IS. And you're down for.
Check. In transit. Yaw dampers on. Gears up, lights out.
Alright.
Toka be clean.
Flaps climb, power climb.
West 3, runway 01, clear to land, wind 110 at 10, and Charlie to parking.
Clear to land 01, Charlie to parking, blue 3.
1270s?
Yes, the 1270 is
Okay.
good. Alright. Autopilot is engaged.
284 Bravo Sierra, contact now Reykjavik approach, frequency 119.0.
4 Bravo Sierra, thanks. right there.
Yep, 19.0.
Reconnaissance, Akenawaska, be there new.
Okay, so be at you.
Departure November 284 Bravo Sierra with you passing 19 for 4,000, heading 300.
Bravo Sierra is still on tower. Contact Reykjavik, approach 19-0.
My bad, thanks. Departure November 284 Bravo Sierra with you passing 2.2 for 4,300 on the heading.
Number 284 Bravo Sierra, approach identified, flighting 290 to traffic.
290 on the heading, 4 Bravo Sierra. 290.
290.
Check.
You got to ask them altitude restriction, please. Climb to maintain what altitude?
And November 284 Bravo Sierra, do we have an altitude restriction at 4,000?
Number 284 Bravo Sierra, climb flight level 240.
240 now, 4 Bravo Sierra, thanks. 240.
Alright, all the way up to 24. Alright, we're all to 19.5.
And radio November 284 Bravo Sierra is passing through 19,500.
Number 284 Bravo Sierra, San Andros Station, Roger. You can now contact Narsasuaq Avis on 119.1. So long.
119.1. 284 Bravo Sierra, thanks.
2 millimeter compacted snow and ice. Measured, correction, braking action good. Taxiways and apron 100% of 3 millimeter compacted snow and ice. Braking action, taxiways medium to good. Braking action, apron good.
Roger, we copy that. Thank you very much. And we'll call you inbound to November.
Avis, Roger.
And radio November 284 Bravo Sierra with you passing 18,500 for 12,000.
November 284 Bravo Sierra, Narsasuaq Avis, and request your distance.
28.
And we are 28 miles to the east.
November 284 Bravo Sierra, Narsasuaq Avis, Roger. Traffic is SAAB 340. Call sign November 286 Bravo Sierra, shortly coming. Correction, turning inbound on the NDB-DME approach, runway 06. Runway news is 06, wind 080, magnetic 12 knots, visibility more than 10 kilometers, clouds view 8,000 feet, temperature -6, dew point -14, QNH 1011, transit level 125. And request your approach procedure.
We'll do the NDB-DME 06.
Okay, November 284 Bravo Sierra, copy that. And we'd like to do the NDB runway 6.
November 284 Bravo Sierra, Narsasuaq. Roger, report November Alpha outbound.
I missed what she said.
Report November Alpha.
Report November Alpha 284 Bravo Sierra. Thanks.
No problem.
She must be an Eskimo.
Okay, we take this down to 3,600 now.
Okay. And November 284 Bravo Sierra is overhead November Alpha.
November 284 Bravo Sierra, Narsasuaq Avis, Roger. Report turning inbound in the procedure.
We'll report turning inbound for the procedure. November 284 Bravo Sierra.
Bound course is 077.
077.
And November 284 Bravo Sierra, runway conditions.
Go ahead, please.
Runway conditions, issued at time 1031.
Time.
Runway contamination, 50% of 2 millimeter compacted snow and ice. Braking action good. Taxiways and apron 100% of 3 millimeter compacted snow and ice. Braking action, taxiways medium to good. Braking action, apron good.
Start the timer.
Copy that, November 284 Bravo Sierra. Time
It's set.
noted. God, could you imagine living here?
I know, right?
Oh, it'd be there's the town over here. It'd be a trip, man. I thought those were boats. No, icebergs. Look like a yacht harbor.
You got the timer set?
There's 1 minute.
Okay. It's supposed to be open for 2 minutes. Then we crank that turn around.
Is it a right or left turn? Just curious.
Left turn.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Yeah. There's a minute 30.
Okay. We said 3,000 in AVA.
3,000 set.
3,000 set.
And 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Clear left.
Start the turn to 077 and the 3,000.
Check. Man, this is like the ultimate approach.
Yeah.
I mean, the scenery. November 284 Bravo Sierra is procedure turn inbound.
November 284 Bravo Sierra, Narsasuaq, Roger. No traffic on runway, wind 080 magnetic 13 knots.
Copy that. 284 Bravo Sierra. November 284 Bravo Sierra, clear to land.
November 284 Bravo Sierra, Narsasuaq AFIS. This is an uncontrolled airspace. Approach at your discretion. No traffic on the runway.
Okay, thank you. 4 Bravo Sierra.